In this session, let us learn about machine learning scatter plot. Scatter plot. A scatter plot is a diagram where each value in the dataset is represented by a dot. The Matplotlib module has a method for drawing scatter plots. It needs two arrays of the same length, one for the values of the x-axis and one for the values of the y-axis. See here, x has some values and y has some values. The x array represents the age of each car. The y array represents the speed of each car. Here, use the scatter method to draw a scatter plot diagram. See, by using x and y scatter plot, see here the dots. See the result returns this. Scatter plot explained. The x-axis represents ages and the y-axis represents speeds. What we can read from the diagram is that the two fastest cars were both 2 years old and the slowest car was 12 years old. Note, it seems that the newer the car, the faster it drives, but that could be a coincidence. After all, we only reached 13 cars. See here, only 2 cars were faster, 110, 105 speed. See here. Random data distribution. In machine learning, the data sets can contain thousands or even millions of values. You might not have real world data when you are testing an algorithm. You might have to use randomly generated values. As we have learned in the previous chapter, the NumPy modules can help us with that. Let us create two arrays that are both filled with 1000 random numbers from a normal data distribution. The first array will have the mean set to 5.0 with a standard deviation of 1.0. The second array will have the mean set to 10.0 with a standard deviation of 2.0. See the example, a scatter plot with 1000 dots. See here, the scatter plot explained. We can see that the dots are concentrated around the values 5 on the x-axis and 10 on the y-axis. We can also see that the spread is wider on the y-axis than on the x-axis. Okay friends, this is the end of part 7 machine learning scatter plot. In next video, let us learn about another topic, machine learning linear regressions. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.